at Middleton Lakes, and this was supposed to be a really exciting day. Well, I'm still excited, but look at the weather. It's well, we couldn't get any grayer if it tried. Some of my weather apps say it's going to be breaks of sun, others just say thick cloud. And one of my New Year's resolutions was to stop believing weather apps. So I've come out anyway, and hopefully it'll still be an exciting day. Well, it still is going to be an exciting day, and I'll tell you why in a minute. But as far as the weather goes, it's not looking too good at the moment. But I've come out anyway, so let's see what happens. Well, the clouds are breaking a little bit. God, all look rough. So it might get a little bit better for half hour. Now I was thinking, shall I hang around by the heronry, because all the herons are starting to roost, and get some shots there. But I thought I'd come over, we'll have a quick walk over to the lakes and see if anything's going on over there. I can always come back and take a few shots at the heronry because it's right by the car park. So I'm heading up through the woods for a quick, I don't know, half hour over by the lakes, see what goes on. I'm recording on my phone. I've had a new phone. I've had a S24 Ultra. So I thought I'd give this a little bit of a whirl to see what this is like for vlogging. It should be a little bit better than my last one, because my last camera was like 4 years old. Well, my last phone was 4 years old. So let's go and have a look what we can see. Well, I've come up to the lakes and it's dead, which I kind of knew it would be, but I wanted to come up anyway and just have a look. I was going to get the other camera out and video on the camera, but it's just not worth it. I'm not getting it all out of the bag just to record nothing. So I'm going to carry on walking around the lake a bit more, and then I'll tell you my good news. Well, round by the lakes are absolutely dead. There's nothing flying over apart from some lapwings, and they're like miles away. And there's nothing else about at all. Just gonna have a quick look in the hide, see what that's like, and then I'll tell you my good news. I won't keep you in suspenders much longer. But in the meantime, I'll show you some photos that I've been editing over the last couple of weeks, because this is kind of my first video that I've done for the year. So I'll show you the photos that I've edited over the last few weeks. Here they are now. So what's the news? Last week I sold my a6iv 400, and with the money and a bit more money, I bought myself the A1. I've had it since Wednesday, and I've been absolutely dying to get out. That's why I just came out today, knowing the weather would be rubbish. So that's that. I'm going to tell you a bit more about it in a minute, but I'm a bit open now, and I'm not sure how good this phone is for hiding the wind. So I'll tell you in a minute when the wind dies down. So yeah, I had my camera Wednesday night and I spent all night setting it up. And I've set it up completely different to my a7 IV, which I've still kept, by the way. I've kept it for vlogging and also for like a second camera, and also when I've got my big lens on the A1 and I see something I want to take a photo of with a shorter lens and I can't be bothered to change lenses. It's lazy, I know, but that's why I've kept it, and it's a brilliant camera. So I've set my A1 up completely different to my A4, and I'm just getting used to it today, to be honest. I've bought it out and you know, first time out with it, seeing what it can do. The first shots I've took this morning were, it was really dark and cloudy, and I don't know what they're going to be like, but I know the ISO was really high, and now it's kind of, I don't know, cleared up a little bit. There's nothing to take photos of. So I'm going to walk back towards the heronry, and hopefully I'll get there before it clouds over again, and I might be able to get a bit of action there and take some more photos with a bit of a lower ISO. So here are the photos I've took so far. I don't know if they're any good. Like I said, I've set my camera completely different, and I don't even know if I've set it up right. So here are the photos I've took so far. The way things are going, I'll be lucky if I take any more photos. It's so dead. It's supposed to be a great day today for me. It's supposed to be a happy day, but it still is a happy day. I get to play with my new camera, which I've wanted for so long. It's been my dream camera, the camera that, you know, when I first got into photography, I thought, God, that's the camera I'd love if I could have it. And I've had it. And the reason I've had it is, I was going to wait for the A1 Mark II, but it's not likely to come out until the start of next year, and it's going to be stupid money, and I'm not a professional. I can't afford that kind of money, and I'd rather spend the extra that it would have cost me to buy that on some new glass. I want some better lenses for macro photography and also landscape. So that's the plan. I'll be happy with this, I know I will. It's got everything I want at the moment. Anything extra that's going to come on the A1 Mark II is just a bonus, but yeah, I'm happy with what it's got. So let's get over to that area before it's all over. Well, that's it. Nothing really going on at the heronry, so I've decided to call it a day now while the weather's still not raining, because I think it's supposed to be really raining in a minute. So that's it. So hopefully I'll have something to show you. Until next time, thanks for watching.